They say a man of God would know his wife by her spirit. Which of the spirit right now no? And some person thought that Yole Doche they talk about this back of fufu way soak well. My people are saying make a bring a greet in this moment now no. If you didn't new for this channel, just wait to like, subscribe, share, put your comment in the comment section. I say good morning, good afternoon. No, depend on your time zone, where you hear me, where you watch me from now. I know they keep anyhow because I take Capri so now. Just they give her the Jojo, the Yunyu of the Kurukuru of the Baradum. Say, The spiritual article Dangadan Yul Edochi, the confused husband of Yarishos Amweba, has come out to say a man of God. First, are you a man of God? You are one of the confused person where I don't see that because first, you don't lose everything you get for this life. Because the assurance will be cover you. Maybe the assurance will the video give Chioma. The assurance will quit maybe give you. I know. But for this thing now, there's some person who understand waiting in the talk. You ladies don't they find way now to get back to Queen May. All this saying now to just catch Queen May attention. They don't know say Queen May is a high flyer. But for Judy also come to jubilate, say, yes, so I am the Olorioko, I am the mother of the mothers. Now person will get house. Now she be the wife. No be the one we don't come out. Wait to say everything we she get now. Now she be Ogada the one. Oga, madam. No, Danny, sit down there. Let me educate you right now because this guy just keep waiting and not understand. On top person we don't leave you. Queen May don't leave you. See, love is not by force. So polygamy, not by force. She left you and divorce process is ongoing. So take a chill Panadol. You know GSK now don't leave Nigeria, but for this the way they give yourself so, Oga, you need to take a chill pill and move on. If truly you are a polygamous man, you should have replaced her by now and making a new one. And Judy too, but we all know it's all do. You just the chop because now the quick say everybody been used for asaba. They wipe. They wipe her anyhow. Give me pass, lay pass for me. This one collect, this one collect, this one collects. You can't reach your turn now, you grab her. Oga grab her, I clap for you. So, Jole Doche now, they talk all this thing now so that Queen May go say, this guy still love me. You don't know, say Queen May don't move. Judy Austin, let me just educate you right now. No. You need to get yourself ready because the gap between Queen May and you, no near, long. And for you, they smile because you be backup preacher now. You can't smile because they say, they are talking to me. He's referring to me. Odogo is talking about me. Oh, nga piagi Italy. You need to collect better Italy. You see, Judy Austin need to sit down, calculate, articulate, then now come assimilate. Because as a stand down, she don't even know her bearing. You only don't they praise her former wife. Say a man of God go know the true wife through the spirit. Now, make una put this in the scale of preference. If Queen May and Judy Austin stand, who be wife material? Where you say you they refer to? Una think say na this one where you they do with this girl so now. Na caricature. Make I just tell una. Congrats to our beautiful Queen May on her new endorsement. Not high flyer like I call her now. Queen May to the world. Queen May of the Most High. Who God don't bless, no man can cause. So if they give them what they call them, pepper them gang. She they praise their name because no wonder they just they try. Queen May they give them assignment too. Assignment upon assignment. When this one come, bam, I make this big for nothing Yokozuna go they carry cross of 1,000 where they sell for Aba market. Come they wear. They try to rub shoulder with Queen May. Well, don't be waiting. I won't talk with that. Waiting I talk, they say anything where Queen May, any level where Queen May, God don't raise down to. There they want try to copy. Now copycat they do. In computer, if you do not know how to paste, don't copy. If you do not know how to copy, don't paste. Because everything what they do now there, now copy, and they don't know how to take follow up. Because God don't already alleviate Queen May. So kudos to Queen May for bagging another endorsement right now. And this guy don't hear and say, this babe they move. Instead make her play 2-0, make her start to the praise her so that something will reach me because in life right now, you know get bearing. The Boris way been the controller. the borders don't crack. And na Queen May be the person, be the grease, where they grease the borders, where they make this guy be the fly high before, as she live and now. When I see the story now, from hero to zero, Yul Edochie get sense. The brain, they said it's an app. Download it and make use of it. If you're meeting each other for the first time, please do it to like, subscribe, share, put your comment in the comment section and do it to hit the notification bell because when you do so, your bank alert go back down.